Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can convert serial number into circle numbers in Excel. If you want to create a column of circle numbers from 1 to 20 without typing each code individually, you can use a dynamic formula. So here is the formula. You need to put the equal sign, type UNI, unit char, and open the bracket and put the code 9310 for 1 and space plus space type row, open the bracket, select the cells reference, close the bracket and close the bracket to complete the formula and hit enter. And here you can see that number 1 is converted into the circle number. You just need to drag it and apply the formula to the other numbers. And here it is. This is a matter of only 20 seconds. So this way you can easily convert serial number into circle number in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.